When we added a background image to our article, we chose an image that had quite a strong colour. This has made it difficult to read the text on top of the image. We will fix this by changing the transparency of the image and making it less opaque. In other words, more difficult to see. To do this, we will use a special pseudo selector called the after selector, and this chooses something that directly follows on from a previous selection. For example, P after will choose everything that appears after a paragraph. Switching back to expressions, we need to find the section in our style which is for the article. And we see here that it has a background image, URL flying kitten. Highlight and copy this code. Then we need to comment it out by using /* at the start of the line and */ at the end of the line. The line should turn green to show that it is a comment now. We then need to add some new code. We are going to add article :after. And inside, we need to add some very carefully typed code. We want this article after section to have content, and that content should be empty quotes, as in no text. Every line should end with a semicolon. In addition, we want it to have a background image, so we're going to paste but remove the word image to leave it just as background. Then we need to add background size. So background minus size, and that should be 100% space 100%. And remember, semicolon at the end of each line. Next, we're going to fix how strongly the image appears by changing opacity. And this number should be how strong between 0 and 1 we want the image to appear. So we'll start off maybe with 0.3, and we can change this if we need to make it stronger. We also have to position the image to be exactly on top of the original. So we need top to be 0. We need bottom to be 0. We need left to be 0. And we need right to be 0. Notice in each case that we have a semicolon at the end of the line. We also need to set the position, and this is going to be with relation to the corners of our browser. So we set this to absolute. And finally, we want it to be behind the text, and so therefore we set a Z index of -1, and this will send it behind the article. make sure that you have a closing curly bracket at the end of article after, and test in your browser. And we can see that the image is much less dense, and we can read our text against that much better than before. You can, of course, change the opacity to make it stronger or weaker. If I change to an opacity of 0.1, then the image becomes very, very faint. And if I change to an opacity of 0.7, the image is very strong. 0 would be completely see-through, and 1 would be completely solid.